Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Korean with Korean textbooks. In this lesson, we learn two vowels, U and U, using real materials from the official Korean first grade language textbook. Let's start with U. When pronouncing, round your lips and push them slightly forward. Make the sound deep and short. U, U, U. Is similar to the oo sound in English words like moon or food. Repeat after me. 구두, 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 구두. 무, 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 무. 우주, 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 우주. Now let's learn you. It's similar to U, but start with a soft E sound. Round your lips again and say it smoothly. You, you, you. Repeat after me. 유리, 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 유리. 우유, 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 우유. 휴지, 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 휴지. Let's look at the difference between U and U and practice reading them correctly. Notice that U begins with the E sound, while U does not. Listen and repeat. 우리, 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 유리, 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 유리. 구슬, 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 구슬. 규정, 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 규정. Great work today. You learned two more Korean vowels, U and U, from the same textbook used by first grader in Korea. Keep practicing, and your pronunciation will get even better every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Korean lessons every week.